Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Compliment of the season. My name is P-Titus. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to animate a burning candle on vector motion using your Android smartphone. Follow my steps, add the rectangular layer and convert it into parts. Duplicate the layer and adjust it like this. Make the color a bit lighter. Then add stroke. Then pick your pen tool and make a shape like this, like diamond shape. So then, if this is your first time joining us on this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, do yourself a favor by checking out my playlist. Alright, let's change the color of the fire to yellow or golden yellow. Duplicate it, resize it, and change the color to orange like this so that the fire can look more realistic. Then click effects and add displace effect. As you can see, the fire is looking real. Let us delete the other layer so that we can work on this layer. Turn on auto animate, then go back to effects. At 0 seconds on the keyframe, adjust the randomize effect like this in order to mark the starting point of the keyframe. Then like this, you move to another time on the keyframe on the timeline. Then you adjust the randomize function like this. Then press play to preview your animation. Oh la la! So that is very simple, very simple. As you can see, the fire is burning. Then to make it more realistic, duplicate the fire layer, then change the color to orange, then reduce the size by following my steps. Please watch the video to the end so that you can have the full knowledge, because right now I'm feeling sleepy. I need to rest. See you next time. Have a lovely day. Bye.